It's snowing in New Orleans. But Harlow! Doom, doom, doom. Your call cannot be completed as dialed. Go, go, go. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la. Ooh la la la. Harlow, that was a little too long of a walk, babe. Just a little too long. We're gonna have to cut that short. Maybe by like 5 minutes. You're too little for that. Oh my gosh. Good morning. Welcome back to a new vlog. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariah. Thank you so much for kicking it with your girl. And if you're a returning friend, thank you for returning to the kickback. It's always good to see you. Friends, I'm freezing. I'm freezing. I don't know what's going on. I didn't move to Louisiana for this, okay? Maybe northern Louisiana can have this mess, sure. But New Orleans, baby, no. And what's funny is I've been here for so long and I'm still not used to it. I do not like cold weather. I would prefer to live somewhere where year round it is like 80 degrees and then maybe you have a short stint of like 65 to 70. That's it. Child, we've been having this cold weather at least for 3 weeks now. And now they're talking about snow tomorrow. Snow. I can't tell you the last time I've seen snow in person. Unless I was up at home in Maryland or something. But down south, snow? I'm not ready. I'm not prepared. So today, you're gonna come with me to get prepared. I do want to run to the grocery store to grab some things because the snow is supposed to come tomorrow. It's Monday. Happy Monday. And the snow is supposed to come tomorrow. So I just want to go to the grocery store and get a few things. And I don't have to get a lot because I'm supposed to be catching a flight to Detroit on Thursday morning. So say a prayer that I actually can make my flight. And this is the flight to go speak at the conference that I'm attending. So I'm gonna really need that flight to not be canceled. So we're gonna send one to the good Lord above, asking him that whatever is coming, it's melted, it's gone, so that by Thursday morning I can catch this flight. But I do want to check to see. I have so many things to do today. I need to go to the grocery store. I need to take these nails off and do a new set. I want to see what I can try to make shake with that new wig that I got. The one that I got for Barbados, but it ended up coming when I thought it wasn't coming. So I ended up not putting it on. So now I want to put it on. Harlow, what's the problem, babe? You always do this when the camera's on. You want to be in the camera so bad. Come here. Oh. You want to be in the camera. Ah! Okay. You want to be in the camera so bad. Yes. Are you cold? Are you cold? What's the matter with you? Oh, okay. Harlow. Thank you. What's the problem? You okay? You're okay. So yeah, I need to go to the grocery store. Need to soak these nails off and put on a new set. Need to put my new wig on, see what we can do with that. I need to write a press release. I have a new client. Woo! I need to write a press release for them. So there's a lot going on today. So I'm just gonna write out my list and we're gonna do what we can. We're not gonna stress ourselves out. Actually, let me figure out what time Aldi opens. Oh, it opens at 9 o'clock. Okay, that may have to be the first thing we do. Because I don't know if people are gonna get crazy because it's snowing and then they go and buy up everything. So maybe that's what we do. TBD. TBD. All right, we're getting ready to brave the cold to go run these errands. And we're kissing Harlow goodbye. Booby, are you gonna be a good boy? Hey, you gonna be a good boy? Give mama a kiss. Your mama's a good boy. Give mama a kiss. Oh, thank you.
You could be my baby, When I'm making my lady, girl, you amaze me. Ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love, my love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love, my love, my love. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, you gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love, so don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love, so don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Good morning, friends. Welcome back. I didn't come back on last night because after I dropped everything off from all of our errands, I went to my friend's house for us to do our weekly accountability check-in, and since we did it at his house, didn't necessarily feel like it was appropriate to have the camera out, so that's where I was last night. So welcome back. It is the next day, and it's snowing. It's in New Orleans. Apparently, this is the first time that New Orleans has seen snow since 2009. So everybody who's from here is excited. I am not excited. I'm actually pretty nervous with how this is gonna go because I don't have a shovel. So how am I clearing out my car? It rained, or not, I don't know if it rained, but there was sleet. So first it was sleet, and now it's snow. And it's about 27 degrees outside. So that's about to be all ice. Needless to say, I will be right in this house. I'm currently having a struggle with Harlow because he won't go outside. This is baby's first snow. He's never seen snow. He is a Miami dog, and I'm sure he is like, what is happening? So I need to try to get him outside. Oh my God, look at... Look at my baby. Don't look at the messy kitchen, but look at my baby. And I have the cabinet door open because they say to keep your cabinet doors open so that the warm air can circulate around the pipes so the pipes don't freeze. And I have, oh, did I just turn off the water? Oh, I guess I did turn off the water. You're also supposed to have like a steady stream of water so that your pipes don't freeze. So, but I just turned it off because I'm running the washing machine. So that should be enough. Okay, booby, I know you have to go pee-pee, but we gotta put something on your feet. Hey, don't tear that up. Okay, so Harlow does not have shoes for us to go outside in this snow, but I don't want him to put his bare paws. Oh my God, his paws are so cold. Speaking of his paws being cold, I went to Lowe's yesterday. You saw, we went to Lowe's. We got the weather strips. We got the windowsill, like rubber strips. I'm taking all of that back because apparently that's not why it's freezing in here. It's freezing in here because there's no insulation under this house. So a lot of, hey, Harlow, come. So a lot of houses, many houses in New Orleans are raised for obvious reasons, but there's no insulation at the bottom. So it's just the cold air coming up through the floor. Like me sitting on this floor right now, the floor is freezing. It's freezing. So I'm about to take all that stuff back because we don't need it, because that's not going to change the fact that air is coming through the floor. Okay, come here, Harlow. So I'm going to attempt to, Harlow! Harlow, stop! Why are you taking it from me? I'm going to attempt to put these socks on his paws and put like a little rubber band situation. Oh, I need plastic bags. Let me see. Yeah, we're gonna try and do socks, plastic. Did you just toss the sock across the floor? Okay, let's try to put something on his feet. Come here, baby. Come. Stop. Stop. Come on, stop. Harlow, let me put the sock on your feet. Let me put it on. That was a fail. Gimme. Gimme. This isn't helping. Stop. No. This isn't gonna work. All right, Harlow. We're getting the sock on your feet. Come. No. No. Don't bite me. No. 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 Ah. Got it. Stop. No. Sock number 1. Yay. No, don't take it off. No. Leave it on. Leave it on. Okay. Come. No. Leave it on. Leave it on. No. Don't bite it. No. 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 There we go. Okay. Next sock. Come. Come. Give me your leg. No. No. Ah! This isn't working. Stop. Leave it alone. Spit it out. Spit it out. Hey. Well, so much for that. Well, that was a fail. Harlow, you have to go outside. So I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't want to just toss you out there, but you're leaving me no choice. But even if I toss him out there, he probably just gonna run right back in the house. Okay. Maybe I'll feed him. Maybe I'll feed him, and that will help to calm his nerve. So as you saw yesterday, I went and bought him some new food. When I went to take him to the vets last week, they basically were like, yeah, it's getting to the point where he needs to be sedated to clean his teeth because he has a lot of tartar and plaque buildup. And trying to tell me $700. I think I said that in the last vlog. So I said, okay, let me try to find ways to address this tartar situation so that I don't have to try to shell out $700 to get his teeth clean. So this, I've heard a lot about the Hills diet food, the science diet food, and this is specifically for oral care. It says clinically proven kibble technology to reduce plaque and tartar buildup. So this is the first time that Harlow will be eating this food. I am a little nervous to see if he's gonna eat it because he's had the same food for so long, and y'all know how picky he is and not eating things, and then has me wasting my money. Oh, this kibble is huge. Whoa. Look at the size of the kibble. That's huge. It smells good though. Let me see. How much am I supposed to give him? Weight of dog. So Harlow is about 20 pounds. Now you're 21 since you gained a pound. Cups, is this, oh, daily feeding guide. 2 1/4 cups a day. All right, so I'm gonna give you a cup now. All right, let's see. Put a little more on top. Well, first let's see if he'll eat one. Okay, you gonna eat it, Papa? Why you always gotta run? Is he eating it? He's like, mind your business. Okay. He's eating it. Great. Look at the snow, y'all. It's getting crazy outside. Ah! We saying inside all. Harlow, are you back for more? Are you back for more? Okay. Mom, oh, okay. Okay, the baby wants more. All right. Those things are huge. Oh, and he's off. I figured I would show a better view of the snow. We're gonna open the back door. Let's see. OMG. Oh my God, it's cold. Look at the snow. Ah. Oh my God. Yo, it is snowing. So yeah, today's a snow day. My office for work is closed. So I figured that I would use today to be productive. I figured I would pack for my trip on Thursday if it's still happening. TBD, we'll see. I did my nails yesterday. Come on, focus. Thank you. I did my nails yesterday. Real basic set. I use this D&D brand and the nail polish color is Perfect Nude. So yeah, and I think it came out really pretty. And it matches my outfit that I'm gonna be wearing the day that I do my panel. So it's gonna be a look. I'm so excited. All right, that's enough rambling for this morning. I'm probably gonna make me some coffee and make my to-do list because I need to get my mind right. There's so many things I need to do ahead of Thursday and I feel like my brain is mush and I just need to be able to focus and get all of that together. So once I have that together, I will come back on here. So BRB. Welcome back. Came back with a whole face, new hair, everything. So I figured while I was snowed in the house, I would film a review of this hair that I purchased from Ashmary Hair. And I'll just show you, I'll take off the hat, but this is actually, child, I thought Harlow was peeing and it's me running like my little spaghetti thin strip of water out the sink. I was like, whoa. But yeah, I did my makeup and did the hair so I could do the review and I really like it. So that is why we are all dolled up, but we are, hey, stop scratching me. But that is why we are all dolled up because we just did a video. So I'm gonna attempt to take Harlow back outside. Now, we did make it outside earlier today. Why am I going in and out of focus? What's happening? I did manage to get Harlow outside earlier, but that required me going out there with him. So yeah, not looking forward to that, but hopefully if we can just get out the door, he'll handle his business and come right back inside. So let's see if we can get him outside. I'm putting my gloves on because how about when I came inside from taking him outside earlier, I couldn't feel my fingertips. I'm not playing. Let's go, Harlow. Come on. Come on. Okay, we're gonna turn this light on. Let's see what it looks like outside. Oh my God. Do y'all see that? Oh, Jesus. Okay, I know the only way I'm gonna get Harlow out here is if I walk with him. Oh, Jesus. I don't know what to do. Oh, okay. You can do it, booby. Go. Go. He is stuck. Go. 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 You can get it. Oh, Harlow, wait, buddy. Okay, come on. We gotta go. Come on. We gotta go pee-pee. Come on. We gotta go pee-pee. Come on. Let's go. Mama, make a path. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Oh, he is stuck. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, my God. Oh, my God, baby. Oh. Harlow, are you stuck? Oh shit. Get up. Can you get up? Oh. We can't do this. We can't do this. Come on, you gotta go pee pee right here. Harlow, go pee pee right here. Right here. Come on, you can go right here. You're not gonna go pee pee? I know you're too little for this. Oh, Jesus. Look at that. Okay, booby. What, you want to go back inside? Okay. Let's make a path. Oh, Jesus. Oh. 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 You got it? Okay. We tried. Oh. Oh, man. That was insane. Harlow, you're gonna have to find a corner or something, babe. I don't know what to tell you. I have no idea what to tell you. Oh my God. Harlow! Get off the couch! What? He got snow all on the couch. Get off my couch! Get off! Oh my goodness, come. Come, let's try and go this way. Come on. You wanna try and go this way? Oh my God. You gonna try and go pee pee? You can even go on the porch on this point. Okay, guess not. Well, so much for that, right? I don't know what he gonna do. He just gonna have to find a corner or something, because there's no way we're getting out there. It's at least, I think the report said that we got 9 inches. It's at least 9 inches. You wanna go outside? You gonna go pee pee? No? Okay. Good morning. Oh, focus, thank you. Good morning. It is the day after the Bayou Blizzard and my pipes are frozen. I made the mistake of falling asleep without dripping some water in the pipes. So now I'm paying for it. I finally found my pipe because I originally didn't know where my water pipe was because I never had to do this. So my landlord basically was like, it should defrost pretty quickly because the pipe is insulated, but there are some tears in it, so the pipe is exposed in some areas. So I've been out there with a blow dryer trying to thaw out my water pipe. Yes, honey. What's the problem? You want to be on the camera so bad. I tried to have Harlow out there with me, but then he came in here crying, not hopping on his back foot. So I was like, oh my God, what happened? And when I tell you a snow pebble this size was in his paw, and he had a conniption. So I said, yeah, you're staying inside. So I'm about to go back outside. I had to come inside to change my socks and my shoes because my feet were going numb. Love that for us. But I just tried to run the water a little bit, and it seems like a little bit of water was coming out. So I hope that that means that this is working. So let's and try to defrost this pipe a little bit more. Okay, we're outside, so let me show you where this pipe is. So there's the pipe right there, and I don't know if you can see the blue part. That's where the pipe is exposed. So I've just been concentrating the hair dryer on that part and down in the ground because it's not really covered down there either. So this is a lesson to everybody who lives in cold places. When they say drip your water, do it. I'm gonna do this for about 10 more minutes and then we'll go inside and check it out.
1 eternity later.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hey y'all. Today drained me. Drained me in a way that I don't think I could have ever been drained. I could not even bring myself to get on this camera because the way today threw punches at me left and right. Threw punches at me left and right. So where do we start? Like, I feel like I need to catch you up on the whole day because so luckily the water is back on. The water is back on. It came back on around, I want to say 8-ish. 7:30, 8 o'clock, something like that. So the water is back. I have no idea the condition of the pipes underneath the house. So turns out that is what was frozen. That pipe that I spent all morning trying to thaw out with my hair dryer out front of the house, that wasn't even the pipe that was frozen. It wasn't even the pipe that was frozen. So yeah, I have no idea. I posted a TikTok and everybody's like, girl, call the plumber, girl, you need to check to make sure them pipes don't have no cracks, da 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 da. Look, there's no way for me to check. The pipes are under the house. I can't get under the house. I have no idea. So we're just gonna see. We're just gonna see. But thankfully, the water is back. That was my main priority. Now, the second thing that was kicking my tail today is this trip to Detroit tomorrow that I'm supposed to be going on. But the weather gods are seeing to it that I don't make it to Detroit. So my original flight was canceled. That flight was scheduled for tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. So that was canceled. So then I rebooked on another airline. So that original flight was on American. American canceled all of their flights for tomorrow. So I found a flight, I found a flight on Delta that left at 11:53, I think. That flight got canceled. And it's crazy because I just so happened to go in the app to check to see when the flight was leaving for me to see a red bar across my reservation like, oh no girl, that flight's canceled. You're not getting on that. Y'all, I gotta laugh to keep from crying because I'm not one of God's strongest soldiers. Like, I don't know how many times I have to say that. Like, I'm not. I promise you I'm not. So that flight was canceled. I, for a short minute, considered like, oh, what if I drive to Mobile? Or what if I drive to Atlanta? Or what if I drive to Jackson? My homegirl Whitney was like, girl, you know all the interstates are closed, right? I had no idea. I had no idea. So I would have been upset if I had booked a flight, because I was very close to booking the flight out of Jackson, Mississippi. I would have been upset if I booked that flight to get on the road and I couldn't make it because the road was closed. And I was really about to do it too because that drive is only like 3.5 hours or so. Like, it's not terrible. It's not terrible, but boy, I would have been upset if I could not get on them roads. So we bought another flight. Fingers crossed. This one leaves at 2:20, so it's a little later in the afternoon. It's on United, so we've done gone through 3 airlines: American, Delta, and now United. And you know, I'm just at the point where if this flight gets canceled, I'm staying put. Like I don't know if the universe is trying to tell me to be still, but I'm just really itching to get to the, but I just really want to put forth my best effort to get to this conference because one, I'm speaking on a panel. Now, will this be my last speaking engagement? No, claiming it. But this is my first one, so you know, that's not something that I really want to miss out on. And I'm also going to have a booth there to promote my business. Oh, that's what I wanted to tell you. And another thing. Office Depot, count your days. Count your days. Oh, that made me mad. So I placed an order on Monday for the trifold brochures that I made. And they were like, yeah, we're going to call you when it's ready. We'll call you by 5:30 to let you know it's ready. I said, bet. 5:30 came and went. They didn't call. And granted, I didn't call either. But I just chalked it up to be like, all right, well, I'll just go on Wednesday to get them because I know they probably going to be closed on Tuesday because the snow. But I did not know. Well, I don't think anybody knew. But I did not know that we were going to get a whole blizzard outside. We got close to 10 inches. I think they were originally projecting like 1 to 3 inches, and we got 10. Shut the whole city down. Shut the whole city down. What trifold brochures? What brochures? Girl, you're not getting them. So I tried to call today to see if they were open. No answer, no answer. Then it got to the point in the afternoon when I was calling. I think they just disconnected the phone line. Every time I called, I got that doom, doom, doom. Your call cannot be completed as dialed. I said, huh? What you mean? So now, I'm not gonna get these brochures. Well, I might be able to get them since this flight is at 2:20, and if they're open tomorrow, I might be able to get them tomorrow. Ooh, that's a good point. Let me text my friend. So yeah, so maybe we'll pick them up tomorrow before the flight, if the flight doesn't get canceled. So that is the rundown on today. I have nothing left. I have nothing left. So I think I'm gonna end this vlog here, and we will just pick it back up when we get to Detroit, because when I tell you drained, just, I can't even find another word, exhausted, beat, oh my God. So I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for being with me today on this crazy journey going through a snowstorm in New Orleans. It's crazy. I still can't believe that we got that much snow. That is insane. For people that want to say that global warming and climate change ain't real, baby, At that point, that's just willful ignorance, and I hate that for you. So thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to stay tuned to the next vlog to see if we make it to Detroit. Oh my gosh, I don't even want to think about it. We're making it to Detroit. We're speaking it into existence. If you have not done so already, if you are not officially a part of the friend group, please subscribe so that way you can be a part of the group chat every time we come on here. Put on your notification bell so that you get notified every time that I drop a video, because I don't want you to miss a thing, okay? So I love y'all. Be safe, be blessed, be easy, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. I will never sell myself short, 'cause I know